People will say you can't remove accurate information from a credit report. The law says, the Fair Credit Reporting Act says, if it's found to be incomplete or unverifiable, it has to be removed. You have the right to question anything, and if the item is found to be inaccurate or unverifiable, it must come off their credit report. And so you're right, is that anything that can't be proven, if they can't verify it, or it's found to be incomplete in any point, any part of the account, it has to come off their credit report. That's the power of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. The same thing if I'm to run this red light right here. If I go to court and the officer doesn't show up, what happens to the ticket? They dismiss it. They kick it out of court. Did I run the red light? Yes, I ran the red light. But if they can't accurately verify it when I go to court, it gets kicked out of court. The same thing works on your credit reports. This is how it works. So in closing, just don't let nobody see you run red lights.